I feel like bringing the outdoors in is one of the best ways to take neutral decor and elevate it. I'm absolutely thrilled with this 6-piece set of hanging faux vines. Here I paired eucalyptus vine and the lotus vine to add vertical and horizontal depth. And on the opposite side, I integrated the chicken hearth leaf. I also had that variegation of color. Next to that, I put string of pearls. These are so fun. They're soft. They have a lot of movement. And maybe my favorite one of the set. They're just really unique and different. And finally, the mandala vine really took up a lot of the space, giving me balance on both sides of the fireplace. And I wanted to pull a little bit of that greenery down. So in the basket, I put the Boston fern. I like how it goes up and down, a lot of draping, a lot of movement, a lot of variegation in the color differences, just a fun little accent to pull the greenery down as well. The plants range from 20 to 30 inches in length, and I had no problem at all looping them or styling them or draping them. They do arrive flat packed, well packaged. I let them air outside in the garage because I do have a little bit of that smell initially, but it goes away right away. And then you can fluff them out from there. This is the string of pearls up close. It goes up and down, and you can move them. They're all wired, so you can place the leaves and the movement however you like. I was just trying to give you a look up close at the different ones. Really close up, of course, you can tell that they are artificial, but you back up about 5 feet or more, and these look actually quite real up close. I love the variety of them. I love that I don't have to water them. No pruning, no upkeep at all, and the versatile placement is great. And most importantly, now I have year-round greenery, no stress, no watering, simple, affordable, stylish. I could put them outside even on a patio or balcony, I think, if I like, or a garden wall, but I'm really pleased with how they're adding that little bit of interest to our fireplace. Thanks to the seller for sending these over. If this was helpful, please give it a like so I know to make more videos like this.